There's this AI video where they make this simple banana cake with only 3 ingredients. Let's find out if it's actually delicious. We're gonna start off with 1 ripe banana. Let's mash the banana till it's smooth and creamy. Let's add an egg. Mix it all in together. Now we're gonna put half a cup of Greek yogurt. Make sure it's unsweetened. Mix it all together with a fork. Now let's pour some of the mixture into a ramekin. You'll have enough of the mixture to fill up 2 ramekins. I'm gonna put it in this container just in case it overflows in the oven. Now bake it in the oven for 20 minutes. Now the original recipe says to bake it for 20 minutes, but believe me, that's not enough. Now let's take these ramekins out of this baking tray and we're gonna put it on a cooling rack. I want them to cool a little before taking them out of the ramekins. Now this has been cooling for about 10 minutes and you can see it's flattened out a bit. Now when it comes to expectations and reality, there's a stark contrast. Now I'm gonna try and remove this from the ramekin. I'm gonna put a plate right over it. I'm gonna flip it over, do a little tap. There we go, it came out. Let's cut into it and see if it looks like the video. Cutting it, look at that, it tastes like a really wet omelet. I wouldn't recommend it. I'd rather just eat a regular cake. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to test out more AI recipes to make sure that what they're promising, they can deliver in these recipes. And if you really want to make a real cake, just click the video on the screen.